everyone, welcome back to Thompson TV. Today we're taking a look at this sleek, compact German-built motorhome, and that is the Carado V337. Now, Carado is part of the world famous Heimer group. It is known for its reliability and build quality, and the Carado V337 is a brilliant example of this at a very competitive price. The V337 comes in at 6.64 metres in length. It's 2.14 metres width, so it is nice and compact, very easily manoeuvred and parked. It's built on the Fiat Ducato, 2.2 litre automatic engine with 140 brake horsepower. It also travels 4, so you have 4 seat belts and sleeps 2. So this vehicle is a Pro Plus edition. So what's included in that is your silver metallic cab. You've got your stylish two-tone alloys. You've got your framed windows at the side alongside your full demonstrator awning. While we're here, we also have an electric welcome step at the habitation door. Your gas bottles are kept in here, and you've got a huge garage for storage, which is brilliant considering the van is only 6.6 metres in length. You've plenty of storage in there. So this is our garage. As you can see, there's plenty of space in there as well as additional cupboards. You've got a 230-volt socket there also. And then round to the back is our reversing camera, so that is part of the media pack, but I'll talk a wee bit more about that whenever we get inside the vehicle. We do have access to the garage at the other side. There's not too much happening over here. Your toilet cassette is there and your water inlet is at this side. It's all about comfort and control. You've got everything you need up here. You've got your hands free, you've got your cruise control, your cockpit is fully digital, you've got your automatic drive, so perfect for those long journeys. Now, this vehicle does come with the media pack, so what's entailed in that is your infotainment system. This is all fully touchscreen, and you've got your Apple CarPlay, your Android Auto, your built-in sat-nav, everything you need, as I was saying, and it also comes with your reverse camera in there as well. So stepping into the living space, it instantly feels bright and welcoming thanks to your light fabrics. You've got your panoramic sky view over the driver and passenger seat, and you've got your forward facing bench seats there. Now that table does collapse down, and your 2 captain chairs at the front swivel, so you have a nice open plan lounge area. Behind that is your TV bracket, so you've got an option to fit a TV there as well. And you've got your storage cupboard in the front lounge. The kitchen is compact, but it's very well equipped at that. You've got your 2 ring gas burner and your stainless steel sink, so that stays underneath there. You've got your Thetford 3-way fridge, so it is self-sufficient. It'll run off your gas, your electric or your battery. You can switch it over to automatic even. And then beside that is our Thetford Duplex combi oven and grill. Now we also do have plenty of little 3-pin sockets in the kitchen, so there's one just above the oven, and then you've got one just at the back here. Now while we're here, I just like to highlight the storage. So the storage is very clever. You can keep your cutlery in your wee compartment up here. You have nice deep cupboards, same beside that, and then beside your oven You've got a huge space for storage there. At the back we have our rear single bed layout. As you can see, it is absolutely massive. You can pull this out as well and make this into a large double. That's your infill cushion for that. You've got your steps to climb up in. You've got your little reading lights along the back, which is a nice wee touch as well. And you've got your storage, so you've got your cupboards at this side and the other side. The washroom is cleverly designed. You've got your rotating wall giving you a proper separate shower in a compact space, so I'll show you that. This is your separate shower then, so this door basically comes across and gives you plenty of space for your showering. You've also got a little sliding door which is on the main door, and you can close that off and it basically prevents you from getting the wood wet. So there you have it guys, that's the Carado V337. Perfect motorhome for couples who would like reliability and comfort without the big brand price tag. If you have any further questions, please get in touch with us. You can view this vehicle on our website or come see it with us in person. If you'd like to do so, give us a call on 028 92 69 3999, or you can shoot me a wee email at charlotte@thompsonleisure.com.